cold, it's rainy, and we're starting this video off, of course, with winter season being slidey season. I mean, something like that, right? So G-Banger is out. It's somewhat repaired from the event with smacking into the stuff, and we have a new bumper, which is rad. I mean, makes me happy. It was from a G35X, so I left that there because check it out, guys. We're all-wheel drive now, right? Sweet beanie from one of my best friends from the longest time, keeping me nice and warm. The old lady is out here filming me from in-car, and I'm getting some fun out-car. But let's go have some more fun. I want to get a couple more corners in before we end this video out. Missed all of that. That was a big one. Oh, third gear cross, that was not what I was expecting. Oh boy. Woo! Oh boy, and now I'm home. It's so much fun to have a nice Sunday like that. Get back here, cleaning out some of the interior, and getting the rest of the stuff tidied up here. Obviously, a lot of the content that I want to do for this has been done, and it's on film. I just haven't posted it yet, so we'll be posting it soon. Go ahead and squeeze down here where we're not going to be able to see anything, but the trans is in. Someone's driving through my alleyway. That's cool. Cleaned the interior up pretty decently. It was getting kind of gross and moldy from sitting, which I'm assuming is a bad window seal or something like that. But the AD is in. I just need to do the fuel system now. I have a transmission cooler and some lines that I made already for all that. It's just a 6AN cooler. But like I said, we gotta get the fuel system done. I've been somewhat roughly mapping out the pressure regulator and some of the lines, and I got one of the 100 micron PKY or PQY filters. So I don't want to get too much into that right now because that will all be a video probably tomorrow, next day. Probably next day. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up and go grab my driveline. I had it dropped off and made, so we'll be able to throw the driveline in, fill the trans with fluid, wire, segment swap, drive, add boost, fuel, etc, etc. But hopefully you guys like the video. A little bit of street fun, having a Sunday fun day, and just, you know, trying to get some content out there, keep everything a little bit regular. I'm gonna hopefully get on like a schedule at some point where I'm posting every other day or every second or third day, something like that. But for now, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I noticed like 70% of my last watch time is from unsubscribed people. Just a little button down there, subscribe, it's red. And once we get, you know, once we hit 1,000 subscriptions, I'm gonna do a big giveaway, but I don't wanna be like, hey, everybody subscribe until we hit 1,000 so people will get stuff given away. But like I said, go ahead and hit that button. Sounds like the old lady's locking the car, which means I gotta get in and get my food. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. Average Joe Builds, out.